is there anything that we haven't covered today that you think will be really useful information that people should sort of have in their back pocket?
I appreciate this is a very easy thing for me to say and much harder sometimes to put into practice, but I would say please don't avoid scary looking envelopes that arrive, because they may well worry you, but the best thing you can do is open them and try and work out, come talk to someone like the Travellers Movement for some help with them, talk to whoever else you have in your community or whatever else support you have to get some help with them, because the sooner you get to grips with whatever is in those letters, the sooner things can be sorted out. If you leave things because you're scared, and I understand that you might be scared, you might be apprehensive, there is the possibility that you will create more issues for yourself in the long run. So my advice would be, in a way, it's better to front up to things and deal with them head on than leave them to fester.
Thank you, Claire. And then yeah, coming to you, Rosie, same question.
Yeah, I was gonna say I absolutely agree with Claire, especially because it is a tight deadline. It's just 21 days from the date of issuance. That's not even the day that it's arrived on your doorstep for you to enter a response. Just practically as well, that you can send a response back by post, but you can also do it online if that's something that you're comfortable with doing. Then you have the assurance that it's reached the court instantly, rather than relying on the postal services and potential delays there. But yeah, just in general as well, that if you're not sure about anything, do what you can to get advice. I know, as we've discussed, sometimes easier said than done, but I know that I'm always happy to answer like general questions about the SJPN procedure. So if you go to talk to the Travellers Movement and they can pass on concerns to me, I'm more than happy to assist where I can, even if I can't always take on the case, if there's funding difficulties and similar. But yeah, in terms of sort of basic practical advice, do ask anyone that you can. Knowledge is always going to put you in a better position, as Claire was saying as well. So yeah, that's the only thing I can think of to add.
Excellent, thank you. And then from our perspective at the Traveller Movement, of course, you can always get in touch with us. We have an advocacy service. If you feel that you've been discriminated against, you're having education issues, we get questions about a whole host of issues. If it's something that we don't specialise in, we can always point you in the right direction or put you in touch with one of the brilliant solicitors that we work with.
And in fact, Liv, just to add in as well, if you are facing attendance issues at school, I think I would also say come and talk to the Travellers Movement, come and talk to someone, try and get help as early on as possible, try and get someone to help you work with the school, because I don't want you to end up in a scenario where you're in this process because of attendance, and there will be things that can be done to help you and your family. So please don't feel that you can't reach out, don't feel worried and upset by what's happening to you. Just try and get some practical support and get some help with the situation.